What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV, and I am pleased to announce Sloss Drone Derby is official. April 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th in Birmingham, Alabama. And the big news is Castle Crash Society is officially taking over the event. We'll be presenting it. All the crews coming out to volunteer, set up, and make it happen. I'm so stoked. This year, we're going to do a freestyle contest. It's going to be the bigger, nastier freestyle contest, sponsored by me, Fly High FPV. I cannot wait. There's all sorts of fun. We got new Whoop House coming together. It's going to be lit, inflated, bigger than ever. I cannot wait to show you guys. It's going to be amazing. On top of the Whoop House, there's going to be a Whoop race too. Whole separate flight line for Whoop races. I think we might even have one of those crazy infinity tubes coming, maybe two. I cannot wait. Racing is going to be taken over by Mr. Skip Fusel Atreides. He's our new race director for Sloss Drone Derby. I cannot wait. We're going to have full 5-inch racing, pro spec 7-inch fully lit racing. Don't forget to bring your LEDs, folks, because we want everything to be fully lit for the spectators. In fact, I'm running a discount on my website right now. Use the coupon code SLOSS, SLOSS, and you'll get money off of every set of LEDs you order. That works on all the LEDs on my site. We want all the quads to be fully lit. And if you wait until the last minute, you show up and you need LEDs on site, you know I'm going to have the full shop. And we'll even have build tables on site. Castle Crash Society tradition is we always like to have a master builder at the build table so that anybody who needs help getting off the ground has somebody right there. And we're extending that to offer to help get your LEDs wired up so that you'll be fully lit when you get there. I'm so excited. If you want to help out, please reach out to me. We're looking for all kinds of volunteers right now. I mean, we're literally planning the event from the ground up as if it were anew. But we're just going to keep building on the momentum that we had with Dearborn Drone Company. Dearborn is back as a sponsor this year. I'm hoping Lucas is going to come out and race with y'all. It's going to be wicked fun. DJs are lining up as well. We'll have music all night long. There's going to be on-site bar. The crew, Shelby Vall and the crew are coming back out to live stream. We're going to get a live episode of FPV Hang Time with Madman and J-Bones. It's just going to be wicked fun. Everybody come together. Sign-ups for the freestyle contest are coming soon. The website is about to launch, and when we get the website launched, we'll be volunteers first. Anybody who wants to come and help out and build the event, you get your tickets first. You're our first priority. And then we'll have pilot passes. Anybody who wants to just pay, come in and have fun. The nonprofit organization is setting it all up for you. There's going to be on-site camping Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night. So the party doesn't have to end after the freestyle contest. We can just keep on going. I'm really, really stoked. This year is going to be so much better than before. We're just taking it up a notch, and we need your help. So please reach out. We'll be sending out sponsor packets soon as well. So if you've got a frame or a company and you want to get the word out about what you're doing, then please let me know. We're taking prize cash offers as well. Whatever you can do to help support the organization, we appreciate it. So if you've got technical expertise, you're the man behind the multi-screen viewing, and you know Cosmo Streamer inside and out, we're looking for volunteers like you. You want to help with electricity and lighting? Yeah, we need help there too. You just able-bodied and you want to help bang out gates? Yeah, we need your help too. All types of help are requested and required. If you took photos and videos last year, we've got a Castle Crash OneDrive. It's called the Castle Crash Dropbox, and inside of there we've got a new folder for Sloss Drone Derby. So if you've got photos and pics of the previous years, that would help us market as well. If you want to put together a video and help promote Sloss Drone Derby, We need help with that too. Please, please, please. All the volunteers are welcome. This is a community-led and driven event, so it's really all about what you guys want and making it happen. I'll see you guys there, April 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th in Birmingham, Alabama at Sloss Furnaces for the Sloss Drone Derby. And real soon, check out our site, slossdronederby.org.